Sagutan natin tong problems. Evaluate the following integral. So let's start with 1. Integral of e raised to x square root of arctangent of e raised to x over 1 plus e raised to 2x dx. Okay, so obviously, pwede natin gamitan ng u substitution. So ano yung magandang i-let u? So notice, sa arctangent ng e raised to x, naka-raise siya sa raised to 1/2 kasi may square root. So pwede nyo itong i-rewrite as integral ng e raised to x arctangent ng e raised to x raised to 1/2 over 1 plus e raised to 2x dx. So, try nating i-let u yan, yung arctangent of e raised to x, and then check natin kung mapapalabas sa derivative niya yung natirang term sa integral, itong e raised to x dx over 1 plus e raised to 2x. So, obviously, nakikita ko na yes. Pero sige, show natin. So, let u natin yung arctangent ng e raised to x. Okay? So, get the derivative of both sides. So, differential ng u du, differential ng arctan ng e raised to x. So, recall natin yung formula. Ano ba yung derivative ng inverse tangent ng u? Diba? That's 1 over 1 plus u squared times du over dx by chain rule. So, bali itong u natin is yung nasa loob na expression ng arctangent na e raised to x. So, getting the derivative of arctangent e raised to x following this formula. So, bali 1 over 1 plus u squared. So, that's 1 over 1 plus u natin is e raised to x na naka-squared. Then, times derivative ng u with respect to x. So, yung u is e raised to x. So, derivative ng e raised to x, diba? Same lang din. E raised to x. Okay? Tapos, lagyan natin ng dx. So, simplify lang natin. Du is, so, bale, e raised to x dx, mapupunta siya sa numerator over 1 plus e raised to x squared. So, di ba i-multiply nyo yung exponent na 2 times x? So, bale magiging e raised to 2x by power to power law of exponent. So, na-produce nga ba natin yung e raised to x dx over 1 plus e raised to 2x sa derivative? Yes, di ba? Ito na siya, oh. Saktong-sakto. So, pag sinubstitute natin mamaya, magiging du na lang. Okay, so sige, substitute natin sa original integral. Magiging integral ng, so yung arctangent of e raised to x muna, siya na si u, right? Na naka-raise sa 1/2. Tapos itong e raised to x dx over 1 plus e raised to 2x nga ay magiging du na lang. So, applying power rule, right? Ano yung power rule? Integral ng u to the n du is equal to u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, provided that n is not equal to negative 1. So, bali, integral ng u to the 1/2 is u to the 1/2 plus 1, add 1 sa exponent, over the same exponent, 1/2 plus 1, plus c. So, simplify na lang natin, bali, u raised to 1 plus 1, 3 halves. All over 1 plus 1, 3 halves then, plus c. Okay, and then get the reciprocal ng 3 halves. Bale, magiging 2/3 u to the 3 halves plus c. Tapos, ibalik yung u as arctangent of e raised to x. So, final answer will be 2/3 u will be arctangent ng e raised to x raised to 3 halves plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay, punta tayo sa problem number 2. Number 2, integral ng hyperbolic sine or sinh ng 2x dx over hyperbolic cosine or cos ng 2x plus 5 quantity raised to the 7. So, mag-u sub ulit tayo. Notice na mas complicated yung cos 2x plus 5 kasi naka-raise siya sa 7 power. Try nating i-let u yan. Cos 2x plus 5. Then check natin kung mapoproduce yung sinh 2x dx sa derivative niyan. Obviously, yes, di ba? Kasi derivative ng cosh is sinh. So get the differential of both sides. So differential ng u du. Then derivatives or differential ng cosh 2x plus 5. So for cosh 2x, so recall, ang derivative ng cosh u ay, so positive sinh u, right? Du over dx. So yung u natin is yung expression inside the cosh na 2x. Okay? So derivative ng cosh 2x following this formula, bale sinh u is 2x times by chain rule, derivative pa ng u. U is 2x. So derivative ng 2x is simply 2. Okay? Plus derivative ng 5 constant, so 0. Then put dx. So magiging du is, so sinh 2x times 2, so 2 sinh 2x. Tapos wala na itong 0, dx agad. So na-produce nga natin itong sinh 2x dx. Right? Ito na siya. Pero may extra coefficient na 2, which we don't need kasi wala naman sa original integral. Eliminate na lang natin by dividing both sides by 2. So magiging 1/2 du na to equals, so cancel the 2, sinh 2x dx na lang. So substitute natin, bale magiging integral ng, so sige, sinh 2x dx muna, ito na siya, 1/2 du. Okay, so 1/2 du divided by yung cosh 2x plus 5, that's u na lang, right? Okay, over u, then raised to the 7th power. So, pwede nating igilid yung 1/2 constant, right? So, magiging 1/2 integral ng bale 1 over u to the 7th du. So, gawin nating negative exponent yung 1 over u to the 7 para ma-apply itong power rule. So, bale 1/2 integral ng 1 over u to the 7, so same siya sa u to the negative 7 du. And then applying power rule, so 1/2 times integral ng u to the negative 7, u to the negative 7 plus 1 over the same exponent, negative 7 plus 1 plus c. Simplify 1/8 times, or 1/2, sorry, times u to the negative 7 plus 1, negative 6, over negative 7 plus 1, negative 6, plus c. So, multiply natin yung 1/2 times 1 over negative 6. So, magiging negative 1 over 12, right? U to the negative 6 plus c. Tapos gawin nating positive exponent sa bababa si u sa denominator. Magiging negative 1 over 12 u to the positive 6 na, plus c. Tapos, final answer, ibabalik si u in terms of x na cosh 2x plus 5. So, we will have negative 1 over 12 u, balik natin as cosh 2x plus 5 raised to the 6th plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay, kayo naman, try to evaluate this integral of the square root of arc sine of x over 1 minus x squared dx. And just comment your answers.